Good evening, everyone. Welcome back on this Saturday, March the 23rd, 2024. We have here in this puzzle page six extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku. We have here two binaries, two Sudokus with 3 stars, and one killer Sudoku. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve tomorrow in the afternoon. But first, let me solve the first Sudoku. Number 8239. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Usually the Three Stars Sudoku has 25 printed digits, while this one has 26. Should be a 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes. But it's indicated with 3 stars. And for 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, question is this a 2 stars or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. Let me see. 7, okay. We have 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So no row above, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 1. We have a 3 and a 1 in the middle row, so no 3 and a 1 in these 2 boxes. 3 and a 1 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 1, 3 and a 1. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. Alright. Then 9 in this column, third column, 9 in second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, or there. We have a 9 in this third row, no 9 there. 9 in the first row, no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the last row, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column, so the column between, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the second row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column, so the first column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the second row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 6, alright. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the last column, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Shoot me there. 7, okay. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in the third column. One of the missing number in this column is a 7. Well, here can be 7, we have 7 in this row, no 7 there. Here can be 7, we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this big square. So no 7 there, so the only place left for the 7 in the third column should be there. So 2 numbers left now, the 3 and a 1. The 3 and a 1, we have 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. And, let me see. Yeah. Yeah. Come on, 3 in this row, 3 in the second row, so in the third row. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3, okay. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 Should be there. 3, 3. Cannot continue with the 3 now. Need to wait. 2, 2. Okay. 2 in the third column. 2 in the first column. So the column between the second column. The only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the first row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in the first row. 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. And we have a pair, the 2 and the 7 in the last column, the 2 and the 7 in that column. So in the column between, the only 2 places left for the 2 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between, the middle row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 2. Alright, can I continue with the 3? Yes, 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the last row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see. Digit number 3, alright. Okay, now. Let me see. How about... Yeah. I need a 5 here. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between the middle column. Only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. I need a 7 here. Well, I cannot continue with the 7 now. Need to wait. 1, 8, 4, 1, 8, 4. 1, 1. Let me think. How about these 3 missing numbers in the second row? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. 4, 5, 8. 4, 5, 8. 4, 5, 8. Well, 4, 5, 8. Did I made a mistake here? 4, 5. Okay. 4, 5, 8. It means 1 digit left in this big square for number 1 then. Yeah. 1, 1. 1, 1. 1, 1. Need a 1 here. Okay, need a 1 there. That means in the middle column you need a 1 here. Okay. In this column we need a 1. Well, here can be 1. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 1 in this column, 1 last column, 1 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left for the 1 could be here, could be there. Here we have a 1. Here we have a 1. That means in the last row, the 1 should be one of those 2 boxes. Yeah. Because in this column, we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. Here can be 1 because we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this big square, so no 1 there. So the 1 could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, 1 and 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Then here 4 and the 5 are left in this column. Well, we have a 5 in the last row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, so the other 2 numbers should be the 4 and the 8. 4 and 8. Let me mark those. So 1 digit left in this column for number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. Okay. 4 and 8, we have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes in there. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row, so the row between. The only place left for the 8 should be here, and I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes early with the 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. One box left in the last row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. One box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. One box left in the middle column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Need a 4 here, okay. Then let me see. 4, 8, and the need a 9 here. Yeah, 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. One box left in the middle row for number 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 8 goes there. 4 and 8, we have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 5 goes there. 5 in this column. Oh, wait. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Then here also 7 and the 8. Well, I need here a number. I need a 5 here. Yeah. 5 in this column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, first column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. Cannot fill this yet. How about here? Need also a 5, and I need a 1, 8, and the 4. Yeah, need a 4 here. Oh, no. 7 and 8. We already have an 8 here in this big square. So this can't be an 8 anymore. This box should be a 7 then. 1 box left in the second column for number 8. 1 box left in this big square for number 7. And 2 numbers left. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 4 and 5. Well, cannot fill this yet. 4 and 5. Here. Need a 4. Need a 5 there. And I need an 8. And here I need a 1. Did I make a mistake? Did I make a mistake here? 1 and 8. 9, 2, 3, 6, 7, 7. Yeah. Did I make a mistake? Well, 1, 4, 5. Well, 3 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers, 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 1, 4, 5. 1, 4, 5. We have a 4 here, so the 1 and the 5. Here we have a 5, so the 1 and the 4. Okay, so 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4, and the 5. 6, 7, and 8. Need an 8 here. And the 4 and the 5. Well, we have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. And we need a 4 here. We have a 4 there, so 4 and 8. So what's happening now? What's happening now? Did I make a mistake? I think I made a mistake here. 1, 4, 3, 2, 7, 6, 9. Need an 8 here. 8. Here. Made a mistake. Cannot believe this. I think I switched those numbers. So. Ay. 7 and 8. Okay, so we have an 8 in the second column, so this box cannot be an 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 7. 7, 7. Here should be the 7. Well, we have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. So 1 digit left should be the 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4 should be here. 4, 4, yeah. 4. And we 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this row, no 4 this. So the 4 should be here. 1 box left in this row for number 1 then. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. Oh wait, 1 and 8. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. And 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. No. We have a 4. 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Wow. Made a mistake. Definitely 2 stars. And we solve it again. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you later with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.